In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create landing page with Aweber. To get started, log into your Aweber account and head to the main navigation. Find Pages and Forms, then select Landing Pages. This is the section where Aweber keeps all of your landing pages in one place, so you can create new ones and manage existing ones from the same dashboard. Once you are on the landing pages screen, click Create a Landing Page. Aweber will prompt you to choose how you want to begin. You can select a template, which is the fastest option because it already includes a layout and styling, or you can choose a blank layout if you want full control from the start. Pick the option that best fits your goal and the amount of time you want to spend designing. After you choose a starting point, you will be taken into the editor. On the side, you will see the drag and drop tools. Use this sidebar to add and arrange elements like text, images, and videos. As you build, keep your message simple and focused. Clear headlines and clean spacing usually make a page easier to read and more effective. Next, click on the form block inside your landing page. This part is important because it controls where subscribers go after they sign up. Set the destination list so new contacts are added to the correct email list, and apply tags if you want to organize or automate follow-up messages based on what they signed up for. Choosing the right list and tags now can save time later. Then open Page Settings. Here you can edit the page path and URL. Use something short and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to share the link in emails or on social media. After that, go to Design to adjust the visual style. This is where you can change colors, fonts, and background images to match your brand. Aim for good contrast so your text is easy to read, and keep fonts consistent to maintain a polished look. Before finishing, click Preview to check both the mobile and desktop versions. This helps you confirm that spacing, images, and form fields look good on smaller screens. When everything looks right, click Save and Exit. Finally, back on the dashboard, click Publish next to your page to make it live. That covers everything you need to know.